Welcome to social science class. In the last class, we have already learned about engineer and road workers. Today we are going to learn about farmers, policemen and soldiers. What do you see in this picture? Green fields. Are they beautiful? Yes, they are beautiful. There are some people. Who are they? They are farmers. What are they doing there? They are working in the field. Do you know how do farmers grow paddy in their field? In olden days, the farmers took their oxen to the field. They plough the field with their oxen. Then they sow the seeds with the farmers. When it grows, they remove the weeds. Weeds mean unnecessary plants. The weeds are removed by the farmers. When the paddy is ready for the harvest, it will be sent to the mill and we get the rice. But in nowadays, all these works are done by the machines, not by the farmers. Do you know the life of the farmers? When does he get up? He gets up early in the morning. He goes to the field. He works in the field from morning till evening. In the afternoon, he has some meal under a tree and takes a little rest. He lives in mud house. He eats simple food. He wears old clothes. What kind of crops the farmer grow in their field? He grows rice, wheat, millets, fruits, vegetables and other grains etc. What are the things necessary for our life? Food, water and air. Where do we get food? We get food from farmers. Farmer is the backbone of the society. The farmer is a hard working man. He works from morning till evening in heat and cold. He enjoys no holiday. His cattle are their valuable property. What is meant by cattle? Cow, goat, hen. They are called cattle. He works hard in the soil so that mud could give us food. Whenever you eat the food, you have to remember the hard work of the farmers. You must respect the farmers. You look after your garden and field with care. Hereafter, don't waste your food. What do you see in this picture? Who are they? They are policemen. Where do they work? They work in police department. What are their duties? He has to work day and night to keep us safe. He arrests the thieves. If there is any fight or disturbance in his area, he at once runs to the place and stops it. Our life and property are safe because of the police. He is a friend and guide to the good citizens. He is full of discipline. We must always respect them. What do you see in this picture? Who are they? They are soldiers. What do you know about soldiers? The soldier is a fighter. He fights for his country and people. He is well trained. He is healthy and strong. The soldier is an important person in society. What are their duties? They protect our country from invaders. What is meant by invaders? The people with an army enter into the country to attack. They are called invaders. Soldiers also sacrifice their own life and families. What is meant by defense force? The soldiers together form a group called defense force. The soldier is an important person in society. We must always respect our soldiers and encourage them. We must be very proud of our soldiers. Do you know who is he? He is Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. He formed the Indian National Army. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose formed Indian National Army. Let us recap the lesson. Policemen protect people. We get food from farmers. Soldiers protect our country from invaders. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose formed the Indian National Army. Worksheet. I protect the people. Who am I? I plough the field. Who am I? Answer the following. How do soldiers protect our country? Thank you, children.